Hello dear friends and blogger user, welcome to this channel and another Amazon affiliate program video. In the previous video we created and signed up for the Amazon Associates program, and advertised it on Blogger as an advertisement. In this video we are going to place and review the amzone products in Blogger posts for sale. There are millions of products you can recommend and review. Review posts are a fantastic way to increase your passive income through your blog. If you write an in-depth review post about a particular item, your reader will feel secure knowing they have all the information they need to make the purchase. The most successful bloggers have a simple rule: create amazing content that people search for on a consistent basis. After you selected your product, first copy the title, and go to your Blogger dashboard and create a new post. Then add your post title. I suggest you to copy the full title and paste it also in your post page. Go back to amzone post, right-click on image and copy the image address. On the Blogger post page click Insert Image, and hit From URLs, then paste the link and confirm by clicking on Choose button. If the image size is too big, you can resize it and make it smaller. Then copy all the description text about the product and paste it to your post. Then from Insert Image Upload By Now button from your device. Now we will link the Amazon product to this buy button. Whenever a visitor clicks on the button it will take them to the product page. For that, from product page, click on Text plus Image and copy the generated HTML code and paste it on the buy button. Don't forget to add some labels to your post. You can use keywords that match the product. For this post I use some keywords from title of the post.